Female.
Look at this.
You're a male,
Two
right?
blue-footed boobies this close. Oh. Hello.
These are really beautiful. Blue-footed Boobies, master boobies over there.
There's another one.
Boobies trying to land. Sorry.
Come on, do a dance for us.
Because of the sun,
Here's another one. Do a dance. Hello.
we need to run.
Iguana there in the background.
Take some pictures right now. You already know everything about the blue-footed boobies, about all the wildlife that we can have around this area. So right now just take some pictures. Keep walking, that's right. Nos vamos.
Come on, do a dance.
Okay. Sorry. Just so we can shift that there'll be one group having dinner on the island tonight. Yeah, probably. We should do that.
We have to be back to the cocktails. Hello, mate. You left behind.
That's it, do a dance.
Look at parading.
Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, you know what? Once you finish your pictures right there, choose only this area for walking.
That's fine.
Yeah, because there's more space between those nets.
I just want to do it.
Wow, how cool is that?